Hello people! Today we are going to box this legend bestseller, or also known as Logitech Z623 2.1 THX speaker system with subwoofer. The Logitech Z623 is a system that every computer speaker user knows. It's the most powerful Logitech 2.1 system available today. It replaced the previous legend, the classic and the last of the titans, Logitech 2300. Leave a comment about what speaker system are you using for your computer. Before this I had multiple such Logitech systems, but I've never filmed unboxing of one. So today, in 2021, I've come across brand new Logitech speakers, which we will unbox today. Let's see what we can get for about $150, which currently is the average price of these Logitech speakers. A newer Logitech Z625 is also available, but the main difference is that the 625 has optical toslink input, which makes it easier and better to connect them to TVs or game consoles. The difference in price is about $30, and I would say it's totally worth it. I bought the Z623 instead because I was able to get it for a significantly better price than the average. The packaging is Logitech Classic, a big picture with how the system looks and very few key features. What are the main features of this system? THX Certified audio, or 200 watts RMS power, versatile setup with multiple inputs, and easy controls for volume, bass, power, and headphone jack. We can also find on the packaging an indication of what's in the box, where you can use this system, and the main specifications. We are not a bookworms, so let's dig in. Many people dream about these speakers every day. So let's take a deep breath and let's go. I see both satellite speakers here, placed in such compartment. Right next to it, hidden manual wires. We won't need this anymore. And here we can see the juice of this set, the big subwoofer. Logitech even made some handles to get this giant out of the box. Very nice of them. Then this is what you get for about $150. A reason for your neighbors to hate you, and some extra swag points. Let's pull everything out so we can take a closer look. This is the left satellite speaker. I say from experience that the connecting wire itself is not very long, but these RCA wires can be easily extended. A common problem is that these RCA wires get damaged and left side stops working. If you want to know how to fix it, then click on the I button in the corner. In a separate bag we can find an aux cable so that we can connect the system to an audio source, which can be anything including phone, TV, computer and more. The wire is 3.5mm to 3.5mm plug. Time to unpack the right speaker. Volume and bass on these bad boys will be changed a lot. Maximum bass after every drop in the song, minimal bass after the stare of disappointment from grandmother, and all that on repeat until I'm satisfied. Wrapping up every wire was an overkill. Here at Techscrew we are against pollution, and that's why you can find a lot of DIY videos about repairing old equipment, so that they don't end up in trash. The right satellite speaker uses 15-pin D-sub connector. Protect this cable like it's your son, because it's much harder to fix than RCA cord. And there's some solid unusable toilet paper in the box. Could have been useful some months ago, but now we don't use such items. We are tech people after all. Time to open the dessert. My family and neighbors were waiting for it a long time. The big subwoofer. I see that there are beautiful rubber feet. Very good. The power cord is long enough. That's very nice. All ports and exits are on the side. I wish it had ports on the back, but Logitech has come up with this. Can't really do anything about it. Beauty indeed. This is a good reason why neighbors will visit me more often. I hope for good reasons. Everyone is definitely interested in whether this system is worth $150. Definitely yes, if you listen to electronic music or like extra bass. If you still like instrumental vocal music, where you want to hear a balanced sound without exaggerated bass, then I would recommend looking at a 2.0 format. Anyway, the Logitech Z623 is a market digger right now. There aren't many good options that could make such noise and satisfy the user. Next time I'll show you how to connect it, if you just joined the audio world. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to write in the comments what kind of audio system do you use for your computer. What do you like about it and what you don't? What system would you like? Let's create a discussion below. Click on the I button or open the Techscrew channel and see what the Logitech Z623 is capable of. Thanks again, and don't forget to support us by pressing subscribe and like. See ya.